The best way to see the difference between an Ovention Matchbox oven and a conventional countertop conveyor is to see them both in action at the same time. Let's start by cooking a supreme deep dish pizza in both ovens. The Ovention's touchpad controls allow variety. We've superimposed a timer over the oven because we're using uncut, time-lapse video to show you exactly what's happening in real time. The Supreme Pizza is still slowly working its way into the conventional conveyor oven, while the Matchbox has been cooking away for more than 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we're adding sub-sandwiches to our second cook surface. Well, after about 4.5 minutes, the deep dish pizza is finally all the way into the conventional oven. So we're going to show you what happens when we add sub-sandwiches to a conventional conveyor. The pizza is already cooked to perfection on the Matchbox, and there's no sign of the pizza from the conventional conveyor oven. But we're not waiting, we're cooking sub-sandwiches in the Matchbox. The Matchbox pizza is ready to serve, so we're staging vegetables for grilling while our sub-sandwiches are in the oven. But there's still no pizza emerging from the conventional oven. The Matchbox oven has finished its second item and is grilling vegetables, and we finally see the pizza peeking out from the conventional conveyor oven. We've got lots more we can cook on the Matchbox, so let's grill some jumbo hot dogs while our vegetables are finishing up inside the Matchbox. Now that our vegetables are grilled to golden perfection, we can see more of the pizza emerging from the conventional conveyor oven, but it's still not done. Why put a sizzling, perfectly grilled jumbo hot dog on a cold, uninviting bun? We're toasting premium buns for our hot dogs. It won't take long to stage your toast. Well, the conventional conveyor has finally released its pizza, but it took nearly 11 minutes, and the Matchbox has finished the same pizza, plus sub-sandwiches and grilled vegetables. We hope you're starting to think about the remarkable difference a Matchbox oven can make for you. As the jumbo hot dogs emerge and the premium buns are in the oven for toasting, the charred and unservable sub-sandwiches are just about out of the conventional conveyor. The versatility and quality of the Matchbox oven is clear, and the food on the table proves it. When we place shrimp on our second cook surface, we can be certain they will emerge sizzling and broiled to perfection. As you can see, the Ovention Matchbox is a revolutionary countertop oven. The Matchbox toasted buns are done and the shrimp is broiling, while the charred sub sandwich is only the second item out of the conventional oven. As the broiled shrimp come out of the Matchbox, the final score is a dramatic 6-2. The results are on the table. Take a good look. They represent your bottom line. Which side of the table looks best to you? It's a pretty simple choice, isn't it? The Ovention Matchbox Oven.